Papa, Papa, what happened? What happened to you?
Nothing, case, Felicia. I need something, just sit down.
Papa, sorry. Sorry. Certainly. Come closer. Huh? Go to my shop and take care of the shop. I'm coming.
Go and buy me the drugs since you sent my son away to your shop.
As what? As your maid? As your nobody. Because shift, let me sit down. See, shift. You expect me to go and buy drugs for you? Look at you. I'm sure you were busy chasing somebody's wife. Look at your nose. Eh? It's the same behavior that you put up in the office that made you lose your job. Okada rider. You now chase people's wives in the guise of riding Okada. They will say, they will enter, climb your Okada. Then they will carry their breast, this boy, on your back. Then you'll be entering every gallop you see. You can't go and then Okada rider. Ocho one. Can't go near. I'm off here. You will suffer it. You will sleep without drugs. You will feel the pain. Tomorrow you will chase people's wives again. Then look at the back.
Get me my lunch.
I should get you your lunch. If you're fagged out, go into the kitchen and get yourself something.
I don't know what your problem is. Go get my lunch. What's your problem?
Okay. Is it me you're shouting at? It's obvious you're not hungry, because if you were hungry, you go and get your lunch yourself. Which one will you bring? Which one do you prefer?
I knew it. I knew it. Yes, I knew it.
What?
Give me the money.
Which money?
Give the money to me now.
Because my friend.
Give me the money. Give it to you. Give it to you. Give me the money. Give it to you.
I'm looking at what time?
Give it to you.
I'm looking at what time?
Well,
I can see you have no fear anymore. You want me to just...
Give me the money. Give me my money.
Don't touch me again.
I said give me the money. Where did you keep it?
I don't blame you. Money is more important to you than food. Instead of you to go there and find something to eat, you better not get money man you do not put in your clothes. Then look at trouser day. Like you want to.
Listen, what is it?
Pico.
Pico what?
You want to run away from your responsibility, from your duties. You're not going anywhere.
What is it now? Don't rub on my dress. Leave me alone.
My friend,
leave me first of all before you talk.
Money for upkeep and for food. Yes.
You didn't see the money I kept on the table inside there?
Okay. What is that one? 2,000. Is that for pure water or for salt? Yeah. You can find money.
I have to go to my car. You will strangle me. Leave me first.
I have to
go to no.
Look at
how you rumpled my dress.
Oh, it's not dress. Coat in the more.
Stop beating me. That's the only money I have in my pocket. Use this one to support the 2,000 I left there. I'll use this one.
My friend, you can't make them. I want you to give me half and keep half. We are now sharing. Okay,
give me the money. Give me the money now. Will I trek to the office?
Please start trekking. In short, start trekking now. Come on, trek to the office. If you don't, I will collect this your coat and sell it to. It's just that there won't be anyone that would want to buy this thing. Besides, there's change. Hi.
Mama. Money.
Yeah? What is this you're holding?
1,000. From the table now.
Oh.
Papa said it's for the family upkeep. So I took 1,000. I left 1,000 for you.
You came here for family upkeep. Your name has now become upkeep, okay?
Am I not part of the family?
Part of which family? If since this your nose started getting bigger, enough for seeing me, you must go.
Is it not about our upkeep?
But wait now. Wait for your
Mama.
It's okay. I thought I not like you. Good morning, sir.
Morning. Where are they?
Who, sir?
The investors.
Oh, they've gone, sir.
Did Ebere go with them?
No, Ebere hasn't come. I've not seen him.
He hasn't? The documents they left behind, where is it? They didn't drop any documents?
Yes, sir.
If you ever cost me this business, you know what? Write he's on suspension immediately. 1 week mandatory suspension. Write a suspension letter for him. Sign it on my behalf. I've heard enough of that nonsense. Don't understand. What is good about this money, Ebere? What is good about this money? Ebere, you're on immediate suspension. 1 week mandatory suspension.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. What did I do?
You're asking me what you did. What's the time? What is the time? I'm sorry, sir. You're suspended. Get out of my face.
Let me give you 2,500 and I'll keep 500 for myself.
You have completed it 3 days.
No, don't worry. When you come next tomorrow,
I tried.
take care of yourself.
I will. Give me that money. Yeah, again. Give me the money. Give you what? Give me the money.
Why are you disturbing the handsome young man? And listen, man on the line, like some people that feel they must wear coats
Leave me alone.
to be men.
Who is that young boy?
You want to know who the young man is? His name is Girl. You understand me? And I don't know what you're talking about. Okay. Wait, just like removing his coat off your shoulder. You know, vulture. You be coat. Dene, you coat. You now have the guts to talk to me anyhow. Don't you ever in your life talk to me like that.
Give him the money I left for you.
Stop the fight. Stop and change your ways.
God is too much.
Stop the act.
Hey!
Stop and change your ways. No matter how long it takes, oh, no matter how long it lasts, evil that you do will come back to you. No matter how long it takes, oh.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my daughter. You're welcome.
Thank you, Papa. How do you feel now?
Much better today. Please go and prepare something for me to eat. I'm very hungry.
You mean Mama didn't prepare food for you?
If she did, I wouldn't have been telling you this.
Ikechi, couldn't you prepare food for Papa?
If I slap you now, you will forget your name. Don't you know that as a growing young boy, that I need more energy and more food? Your small brain should tell you that as Papa is hungry now, that I should be more hungry.
That is why you should have prepared the food. Yes.
I'm happy, Wagon. Mama is back.
Mama, good afternoon. Yeah? Why are you frowning at me? We didn't keep any food for Papa. And you know he's not feeling fine. You're very stupid. Are you too young to prepare food for your father before leaving for school? Eh? See, don't let me just remove this scarf you tied around your waist that you called skirt from you. And as for you, Ibekwe, you think you can turn my children against me? Okay, forgive me, okay?
And actually, did I tell you to prepare food for me before you left this house?
Nekwagi, Ibekwe, look at you. So you now ask me questions. You're asking me questions. You now have guts to talk to me.
That is Anna. Come on. What is wrong with you? Stay one place, allow them to pay there.
They are working. I only waste respect. You don't have respect anymore.
I don't blame you. I'm living in the same house with you. Come on, to kill you. If I want to kill you, I know how to kill you. It's very easy. Easier than killing a rat that is dead already. I'm not fear. Hey, Mama!
Mama. Mama, it's joke apart. I am very, in fact, seriously hungry. I was patiently waiting there for you to come and give me food.
But you were busy telling your father and I to fight. To pray. Okay?
Because I know you will beat Papa hands down. I was just saying that so that you will do quick, finish him up and come and give me food.
I should have named you Uche. You think you have sense? It's your blockhead. What sense in me?
Hi.
Let me tell you. You see, everything in this house, I provide for it.
I know.
Food,
Bam.
soap to wash clothes, everything. Jerrycan, Osite, if anything no one, I bought with my money.
Mama, don't worry. I know where my bread is buttered.
So next time you see me fighting with your father, you come and join me to beat him up. Nothing say peria.
So what?
You understand what I'm saying?
I will do that.
Good.
The food.
Food. See there. See, you know your sister loves your father too much. There is no way she will not go to the kitchen to prepare something for you. So when she's done, you go there and carry one plate.
No, what on Kidebe?
I only have cabin.
Cabin?
Yes.
Is malt available?
Malt? No, because the cabin is just 10 naira cabin.
Yeah.
So you will go to the back. You know where we have that our eating pot? Collect a cup of water and send down the 10 naira cabin. Into your...
Can you go to the cabin first?
Into the cabin first.
Okay.
Papa, don't mind her. Sorry. Let me go and get you something to eat.
Yes, please. Please go. Sorry, go. Sorry.
Anecheli, wanyo nechelo nye diyama.
Ma, I don't know what you're talking about, ma.
You don't know. Neka, you're telling me you don't know. Neka, I repeat, if you are not the one I saw in your husband's car, who is that?
Ma, I don't know.
I employ you in this company for you to be my guy. And you're lying to me. And then, I saw a woman in my husband's car. The way they were discussing. My husband did not pick that lady on the road.
Ma, the only person that came here was Mrs. Ibekwe. Yes, Mrs. Ibekwe came here.
Mrs. Ibekwe. Mrs. Ibekwe. Ibekwe, the one that works with this company.
Yes, ma.
Is he not visitor?
No, ma, he hasn't come to work.
Ibekwe, you are a wicked man. Ibekwe, you are a wicked man. Ibekwe will pay you here. Yes, you set your wife over my husband. Huh? Ibekwe,
I can't understand.
you will understand it later. Ibekwe, you are fired. Ibekwe, you are fired in this office. Nonsense.
I want to go to school. Or maybe go to university.
Biko Panu, is it possible for a dunce to go to university? Okay, let me ask you a question. 2 times 1.
2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3 is 6.
Okay, wait. 4 times 2 is what?
8. Mama ya bale.
8 times 2. Ajamwa. 8 times 2. Itinya kana kona na emeswe. Fell out there, may like you're just like your father. You're not smart. Eh?
Papa, good
evening. Money. Hey, your father has learned to put money inside the envelope.
Papa, leave.
Wonders will never end. I told you will be like your father. Exact replica of your father. Obolo, you see everything about him. Nah. So you have been sacked.
You caused it.
Hey! Oh, Ilenia. Aren't you going to You're just like your father.
God forbid.
God forbid.
I cannot be like him.
Ikechi. Is it Papa me or another father you're talking about? Boy Ikechi.
Papa, don't be offended, but I cannot be like you.
Well, you'll be sacked now. Hey man, don't be on the left. You clean up the house. You go. Look at your father. Look at you. The shape of the head, the shape of the ear, even the nose, everything about you is your father.
No, my head is not like you.
The only difference.
You sacked me from my handsome salary job and have been taunting me ever since. Honestly, why are you this wicked? What have I not done for you? It is this Okada business that I use to sustain this family, including that petty business you are boasting of.
Hi.
You turned my children against me. You were with Chatana before I came back, and you did not send him to the shop until I've sent him to go and buy drugs for me. Don't you see that I need help without being told? My swollen mouth and the bleeding nose.
The blood obviously looks fake. But let me just tell you the honest truth. I think you're better off dead. Oh, come on, now. That way we can use your remains as manure for the next planting season. Yes, now. Is it because of this nonsense, man?
Now give me back my money. Let me go and buy the drugs by myself.
See what you're calling money. 600 naira. What can I do with this money? Okay. Maybe I can buy one cheap lipstick and one cheap nail polish. 600 naira. Tell her them there. So all those women are your back, they don't give you anything. Hey! Is there any other thing you want to talk about? So, you're just using idea to touch me. Again. Nonsense.
Stop the fight. Stop and change your ways. Stop the act. Stop and change your ways.
And when you go to school, you better be careful there. Ikechi. Let's go now, huh?
Papa, where are you going to?
Yeah. Papa, we are going to check the admission stuff.
Okay, come. Let me carry on. Is it? Come and enter, let's go.
Is it? You want to carry all of us where?
Have I not been carrying you on this bike before?
This one.
My friend, come, let me drop you people where we get there.
Papa, don't worry. Don't worry.
Papa, please leave them. They can find their way. Even let us.
We are going to stop.
Have you carried anybody since this morning? You know, if you never go to Akanya, I'm not going to let you today. Today is the back market. See, Akalo no was in Nigeria. Come run the bad the doors. What do you mean today is the bad market? Want me to say? Go home and rest. If you tell me you want to go and climb your wife. Let me go back. Tell me you want to go.
Papa, good afternoon.
That's fine.
Papa.
Why are you at home by now? You're supposed to be in the school.
Papa, I was driven out of school because I haven't paid my school fees. And the principal said that I won't take exams if I didn't pay.
Anechele, please come. Please sit down. I want us to discuss something very important. Yes.
Something like what?
I don't see why we should be living as cat and mouse in this family. We are supposed to be good examples to our children and others of what marriage should be.
Chalukwa, have I not been a good wife? Have I not taken care of you and the children? Eh? Don't I provide food in this house? I can't tell a epistle of St. John. Okay, because I'm ever talking.
We used to be happy together in this marriage. I don't know what went wrong.
Ibekwe, money went wrong. Money. Do you know what it feels like to walk out there and see other women well dressed and then you're not properly dressed? You go for meetings, you enter, people move away from you because you look unkempt. Okay, let me use myself as an example. I don't have good clothes to wear, no jewelry. The entire earring I will wear until Otaka before I throw it out. And then when I want to, pretend that I'm dressing up, I will use my chaplet as necklace. It's an ONWUKA. It's not a good thing. It's not a good position to find yourself in. So my dear, money went wrong. The minute you start providing, love will return.
God will provide. I know God will provide.
God will come down and provide. Okay?
And now, one of this Okada. God will provide. Honestly, I know that God will provide. He has already provided for OGANYA's school fees. Please, take this. Make sure you pay Ujunwa's school fees and in time too.
I will do that immediately. Then if there's any change left, I will use it and pay for the groundnut oil that I bought on credit from AMAKEZE.
This one is strictly for Ujunwa's school fees. And I think I have told you to stop buying things on credit. Huh?
We're still saying the same thing. Money. If I had money, do you think I would go buying groundnut oil of all things on credit from AMAKEZE? AMAKEZE of all people. Then talks too much. The whole village. Make money. Then love will come back and you settle. Not this thing that you might go. Look at 200. Maybe next time you go and pay it.
Go and call your mother for me. Because I gave her your school fees 2 weeks ago to pay. Go and call her for me.
Good afternoon. Papa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How did you go?
I was gone, no. It's just all about money.
I know. I don't want to hear anything about money now.
Papa, you've not asked us how much. At least ask us how much is it before you start complaining.
All right. How much is it?
It's just 50,000 naira.
50,000 naira?
That's my own.
Just for him. Then 50,000 naira for myself. That is
for admission.
For 100.
For admission.
100,000.
No.
No.
Admission. They say
for processing the admission.
Wow.
Processing the. I don't know how much the admission itself is going to cost, but let's get the 100,000 first. I know I can say amount.
Papa, you are not saying anything.
Papa, are you going to give us that? Papa, it's just 100,000. We are talking about, there are people who are paying 200, 300. And I can see the school is just pitying our poor condition. That's... Udah kuat apa? Udah kuat. Papa, we are just talking about 100,000, not even 200, not 300, and we are using water. 200,000 and we are...
Chetana. Come.
Papa, we are trying to help you, but you are not helping us. So.
I want more Sinostar.
Sinostar?
Yes.
Okay.
I beg, bring me 3 cartons, 3 packs.
3 packs?
Yes. Children love and well. Then soft drink.
Okay. Fanta and Coke.
Yes, the small ones.
Small ones.
If you see as children, they put mouth for this thing, they suck them.
I know they will like it. How many cartons do you like?
Of the 3 cartons.
3.
Yes.
This bread.
Hi. If you ask this bread, they sell. Even myself, I dey follow chop am.
You know it's sweet.
It's sweet.
You go like am.
Wait, make I tell you how many you go buy. Wait. Mama Ebuka get 5 children. Mama Ijoma 5, 10. About 30 pieces of the small ones.
30 pieces.
Ah, children, they chop that thing, eh?
I'll give you 5 pieces more.
You will give me?
Yeah.
Hey, not let me go chop them. Thank you. God bless you. Okay. You see this fish? That biscuit, where they call fish? That blue one.
Okay, fish spicy.
You know am?
Yes.
Children, I don't know what they put inside that thing.
It's sweet.
It's sweet. If you see us, then they chop them.
You go need them.
I go need them.
How many?
2 cartons, I beg.
2 cartons.
Okay. I beg, that popcorn when I bring, that one, don't enter them. I don't want that.
What's happened that time? They say, so our machine.
Guinea, what is it? What do you want? Has school closed? Why are you here? Papa said you should come home now. Do what? Please be going, I'm coming. He said you should follow me immediately. Nah, I beg, no vex. Make I just wash house. Come, my house no far.
I don't get time.
I beg. Just,
I see you have to go to some other shop.
I know, just they calculate what I want. I go soon come back. Make I run and go, come back. Oh yeah, they go. See am. I said they run. You walk like person, you don't get there.
Why would this woman just leave me like this? Let me go. EKENTA, because just give me small time. I won't go my shop like that.
Ebere, you sent for me. You made me leave my busy shop to come here and answer you. And I left my customers unattended.
Sorry about that. When was it I gave you Junwa's school fees to pay? 2 weeks ago?
Now 2 weeks ago, why are you asking? As if you do not remember.
Why didn't you pay it?
You should be ashamed of yourself. Shame! Look at your children. They have not even eaten. You are talking of paying school fees. Only just school. Look at Dikeh. Look at his stomach. Name Ukolo. Because he has not eaten. No food to eat. Oh, look at your daughter, Uju. Uju's backside has refused to come out because she's not eating well. Now, is it Tetana? Look at him. He grows up and leaves it like an umbrella because he wants it to cover his body so people will not know he's hungry. Oh, is it you? There's no point describing you because anybody that sees you know that your name is Hunger. And you're asking me about school fees. Don't even ask me that kind of question. Oh, you think I'll be the one that will keep providing in this house? You want to pay school fees for Uju? Amak's not married. Let her go and marry a rich man and bring money. Because I'm nonsense, sir, Pico.
Mama, this is not fair. this is what others do and they call it wickedness.
See who is calling me wicked? It is people like you without backside that are wicked. You use your backside for wickedness. By the time you're wicked, backside will shrink. Wicked! That is what you are. In our home, wicked. Ochako ONWUKA. You will marry your father.
Honestly,
yes?
I did not call you here to quarrel with everybody. In a nutshell, why didn't you pay the school fees?
In a nutshell, I did not pay the school fees because I used the money to settle the debts that we're owing. And I also used it to buy food for the house. QED.
Honestly, I will no longer tolerate this rubbish. When it comes to the school fees of this child, I won't play with it. This is the final one I'm giving you.
Papa, you did not fight for our own school fees like this. What is happening?
What is not happening? You guess what is not happening? What is wrong with you, sir? Are you crazy or something?
To talk like you don't have any sense in this your brain at all. Wait, did Mama use your brain to start a business or something?
You're very stupid. No, can I come to You're very stupid. It's your brain that I used to open the shop. Yes. How dare you talk like that? As if I'm from your group. I think it's your head that I used to open the shop.
Bam.
Shut up or say bam. If you are sensible, they will not be talking to you anyhow. You know Susu, all of you Susu. But I don't blame you. You inherited it from your father. I can't go back next time you talk to me like that in front of your children. If you think they're men,
shut up and get that from here.
Anecheli, mbombo. Anecheli, mbombo. Anecheli wanyo, nechelo onye diyama. Mbombo. Anecheli, mbombo. Wanyike, mbombo. Anecheli, mbombo. Madam Hoha, mbombo.
He's standing here since all alone, staring into space. I don't know what his problem is.
Mama, you are part of my problems. No. You are part of my problems, Mama.
How? Just take it easy. Calm down.
Mama, leave me alone. For God's sake, leave me alone. Eh? I am tired of you. I am tired of you and Papa. Mama, short, I am tired of this life. I am tired of everything in this house. I no longer want the admission. I am tired of the admission. Papa, I am tired! I am tired!
But I promised to give you money to process your admission.
Papa, you promised to give me money for my admission. Papa, where is the money? I have not seen the money, Papa!
There's a way I'm feeling like Ola is bringing me. Eh? When you start feeling sleepy, you come to them.
Yeah, I'll come to Russia. I fit in the elevator. My friend, he slept. Go there and sleep. Get into the house and sleep. never pay me, make I collect my money now. You never pay me,
Dafe, let him come.
I'm very sorry. Come. Yes, come. I'm so sorry.
Madam, now my Okada money I'm talking.
It's okay. You can have this. Okay. Keep it.
All this?
Yes, just keep it.
Chetana. Where are these ones? Ikechi.
Ah, Papa.
Call Chetana so that people can bring down this price. Call him so that you can.
You got my rice.
What does he look like? Yes, I bought rice.
Is it our own?
Uncle Madikambulatabai. It's our own. Alright, go and put it. Where Chetana?
Papa, Chetana is not around. I have not set eyes on him since morning.
Where must he have gone to? Alright, put your hand here. Let's take it in.
Hey! My rice!
You can come and put your hand here. Let us take this rice. Where's it? Now, put your hand here. Let us take this rice inside. Put your hand here now.
Good afternoon, Papa.
Good afternoon, Mom.
Papa.
How are you? Yes.
You bought rice?
Yes.
I got rice.
How about Papa? You should have given me the money for my school fees.
No problem. Yes,
That's
Papa.
Don't worry. I will also give you money for your school fees.
Hey! Papa, no. Damn! Who there?
Papa, what of my own?
Hey!
Don't worry. Let's carry the rice inside. I will settle everybody.
Papa,
It's like Papa won jackpot. Papa, did you win jackpot?
I have searched every place. Naija, where is Chetana, my son?
OGANYA, what kind of stupid question is that? Him and this man, sometimes you'd like to be stupid. How can you ask me that kind of question? When I left him and you here last night, I went to bed. Do I know where you sent him to? Maybe Sianjebe, you never asked him where is your son. As if you gave birth to him. I'm the one that carried him for 9 months. Naija, nonsense.
Cannot help you in this matter. It can never help in this matter. Don't worry. By the time the king's men will come asking for him, you will tell them to come and ask.
Oh, you think that one bothers me, right? Don't go and find your son. No leba na kwa Ebwe. You hear me? Stand here and call me Ebwe. Mwolusi, then we'll know who will be at fault. I left you here with him last night. Kevin on now where? You're always trying to prove that he's closer to you than to any other person. Nobody knows you. Now you're asking me to go and look for him. Don't find that boy.
My brother. You know the one now. It was so hectic. I saw we dey live on for here. Yeah? Boy. Hey! And the main thing be say, as you don't come, everybody for here know say you be new person. So you go hide your money well. Hide them. Because nobody here dey smile. As for me, now for here, I'ma hide my own.
Fine, I've had you. I will take care of that. So where do we sleep this night? I'm feeling very sleepy.
Now here now. Now here.
Okay, here. This place is locked. Can't you see? It's locked now.
Yes.
Come on, open it. Let's.
It's there locked, but now here we go sleep. See that bros waiting for there. Now so we two go do.
Hey, wait. You mean here? As in, we will sleep here?
Yes, this place. And we go pay 100 naira.
Jesus.
So make you keep your own money ready. Make me go find...
Bros, wait, no verse. We will sleep here and still pay 100 naira on top.
Yes. I will go find her. Oh? You gonna say you don't come. As on a place you come now.
Obika.
Good evening, sir.
So you come new here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They never tell you?
Tell me what, sir?
Search yourself.
Obika,
If I hear film, fuck a breeze, search yourself.
Obika. Sir, sorry, sir. Sorry.
You know I'm playing with you.
I didn't come alone. This year, I came with you, Obika. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Obika! Sorry, sir.
Obika. Come on, sleep. See your face. Yes. Search yourself.
Sir.
Are you still wasting time?
Sir.
Search yourself.
Sorry, sir. Sir, I didn't see.
Sir. Now what is that? What did they do with her?
Sir,
I want for you. Now soon as this point person.
If you no come more for here now, I go tell okay in the morning.
Which kind of way should be now?
Waka come more too. They go. See him face. Onyoshi. See, I have to no collect anything from you.
No, you don't collect anything, but Obika, I'm not sleeping here again. I'm not sleeping. I thought I'm going.
Where you go?
I'm going.
Where you want to go? Okay, make it they go. When you go finish, you will come meet me for here. My brother. How today now?
Now we can go. Hi. Can I really do this? No, I don't think I can do this.
bros, you still there? Ah. Me, I don't go.
Now what did they do you? You still sit down for here? I beg, say come back, make you come out. See everybody don't come out. Come, Joe. I don't know what thing they do you. Every time go they do live.
Oh.
I used to come Mrs. Anisha shop.
No, Chiku. Oh, Chiku na-enye ọkụ wee na-echilu mmanya.
The house is so lonely. We're not alone. So lonely, so I decided to come and stay with you.
You're not in trouble. So not that you're lonely and you have to come to my shop. Please, I don't want you here because you bring me bad luck. Can't Kevin and know the house is lonely.
Is it evil for a husband to stay with his wife in a shop?
Hey, yes, it is evil.
Get it evil.
How can a man stay with the wife in the shop? You know what you think, Please. Biko, Ibekwe, just go home. Don't disturb me and don't bring bad luck for me. Is it my fault that you lost your motorbike? Or my fault? So you want to come here now and I'll start losing things in my shop? Biko, go back to the house.
You know what? Go and find your motorcycle and start work.
It's bad enough that I provide for you to eat. In case you ever want to watch how much I'm collecting for my business, it's the one that I will not take. Please go and don't bring bad luck for me. Go. Ikapu.
Oh, my important customers will soon come now. Nabanu Bikonu, how your bad luck can go. See, let me advise you, go and look for your motorcycle so you continue with your business. I'm not quality come on and handle there. Nesianichi, Yagan, a pen. Yeah. Oh, find anyone.
Okay. Who gave her wine? Yeah, can I have
see me here now. So I'm trying to sell my market. Stop it.
Stop what?
Uzoka. Listen, I want to just ask for one favor. Can I touch?
Go ahead.
Hey!
We're going to make it now.
It's so silky, unlike my husband's own. When I touch my husband's beard, hey! I come out with rashes.
I like it.
Night, Charleston, stop touching me. See, if you want a relationship, why don't you stop behaving like a child? Like all this touch, and tell me what you want, and then we'll know what we'll do about it now.
Hey! You know what?
What? Are you sure I can manage?
Just try small trial. No belly trial.
See little boy
will
like
convince you.
I'm not getting you shy.
To start something. How can I be receiving insult from a woman I use my own money to marry every day? Just imagine.
Wow, ego cheki, ego rakasla, ego kero, shata kasi wa kai na. And we will guy about here. Wow, ego cheki. I like that to say we guy about here.
Please, don't be offended. I want to find out something from you. What are you doing with this money you are collecting? Torn, eaten by rodents and cockroaches. What are you doing with such money?
As you can see, we gather them, we take it to the main collector who gives us our own commission.
I just want to find out something. Can somebody survive with this?
Somebody can survive with it. As you can see, I'm sustaining myself from it. And when came I got one while again. Nah, my time where you do waste. Wow, ego cheki, ego rakasya, ego kero, wow, ego cheki, ego rakasya, ego kero.
Please. How many phones? What did they take this phone to sell? What are you doing with phone that is spoiled?
I sell them to the company where produce them for refurbishment. Yes.
Like how many phones you fit collect for one day?
The day where market days, I fit get 50 phones, even 100 sell. Yes.
Okay. How much did they sell?
I dey sell, I be how much I go buy.
Don't be offended. Like this my own.
Like this one now, I feel give you even 1,000. Like this big one now, this big one, now 1,000 I buy them. These small ones, now just 500, but I feel give you 1,000. Guys, company to even more me down with crazy. Yeah, to them on. Go phone. I want a phone.
Remember, Mpano, walk your work. Hey, I'll give me this.
Give me food now for me.
Now, what the baby? Who's this one? That's for my prince. Papa. Papa, what? Join us, Papa.
Can't you see that this one will not be enough for both of us? You are saying, Papa, join us.
Sometimes you can be a sensible child. So you don't know that if you cannot provide for your family, you do not eat the food that another person provided for. You see, he doesn't want to eat. Itu pula ungolo. Itu pula ungolo. Mama, fe Emilia. Abun je gongo kitufu. Mama. Nonsense. Natano. Hurry up. Eat well.
And actually no longer gives me food in this house. I must find something to do for a living before I die of hunger. I cannot continue like this.
Hey, Namo, American boy. Oh, you near. Hey, I for what I for gonna give me my handsome umbrella head. Hey, Nakedo. Yes, you want to talk to your father. Hold on.
Give me the phone.
Okay, Muchelo. Your father is still a useless man. He shot on Kagon just since you left.